crap in there. Might just be seized up if I'm lucky. Yeah, it's seized up. That's so shitty. That means I gotta take the other part apart. Yeah, I can see. Look at shit got in there, like water. Hopefully it didn't mess with this. I could test that. Take a guess how much that piece right there is. Just take a guess.
$200 probably.
$1,300. That's what was wrong with Ed's, and I took it apart and fixed it. That's what I said. It's got a circuit board and some motors in there.
And that? No kidding.
Yeah. I'll see if this works. The move?
Came out.
It did? Oh, it's gonna work. Now it's going in?
Yeah.
Alright, it's gonna work. That part's good.
Yeah, out. Back in.
Take the whole thing out and get it over with. Now you can get out. I'll take it out. Yeah, think there's a problem? Oh yeah, the battery just died too. Look at this shit. Water definitely got in there. But I could use put a little more grease in here, you think? Now, the trick is trying to get this out without ruining the casing. Because this has to have that O-ring all the way around. Tell me if this moves on the other side.
No, it's not moving.
So it's not stuck on that. It's this that's going in.
Yeah, it is now.
Yep. Wow, look at that. Now I just gotta clean this up. All clean. Now, gotta grease. It's a little pitted, but it's smooth, waterproof grease. Smash some grease in there. I almost thought about putting a grease fitting at the top and a drain on the bottom. It seems like all the seals are good. Do it like you're packing a bearing, right? Coating with grease and won't do anything but help it from getting corroded. Grease that sumbitch up. And this gasket is actually in good shape. Did I forget anything? Think we got her greased up enough?
Yeah.
Gotta line these two up, so.
Three hours later.
There it is. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. And this has a little rubber seal here. This is the sensor. For if it's in or out. Here goes nothing. There. I'm ready to put it in. Sway bar end links are alright. Alright. She's all bolted in. We'll try it out, see if she works now. Ah, it disconnected. It's working.
I don't see anything moving.
Hear it? You won't. It's all inside. Get in, we'll try it over rocks. It's working. Let's see how it articulates. Yeah, look what someone did with the brake line. Nice, huh?